just had to get some actual battery on it. All right, you ready? I haven't fired it yet. I haven't heard it run, not even on starting fluid. I got the choke thing to work. Yeah. Got the throttle cables. Throttle cables are doing throttle cable things. Yeah, that's stuff. I put gas in it. Nothing's dripping. That bowl's cold. That bowl's cold. Like there's gas in them or something. So, I'm just gonna do it. Fun fact, they run when you put gas in them. Wow! I had to go to the crossover thing to get gas, because this petcock, it doesn't do nothing. But yeah, that's cool. Alright, get it. Look at it go. It runs. Whee! Probably open a door or something. It's getting a little fumy.